In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to play can-can on the G string. Welcome back. Welcome to the studio. My name is Cassie and I'm a professional violist and teaching artist. I hope that these videos will serve as a guide for the beginning violist or for those of you who are a little bit more advanced. So today's lesson, we're going to learn how to play can-can on the G string. So there's three different sections to the can-can. We're going to learn the middle section first, because that relates to the last lesson that we had of the G major scale. I'm going to play that middle section first so that you know what it sounds like, and then we'll talk through it step by step. So I'm starting on open G, and I have my third finger set on the D string because I'm essentially just playing a descending or going down G major scale. So if you haven't watched the last lesson on the G major scale, I recommend stopping this video and checking that out first. So my first note was open G, and then I had my third finger set on the D string, and then I just peel my fingers back one at a time, cross to the G string, plop 3, and then peel those back one at a time. So our notes would be open G, high G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. So let's try that in slow motion. Playing position, slide down to first position, and then set your third finger on the D string so that that's ready to go already. Bow set on the open G string. We're going to play a short open G. Drop your bow elbow to the third finger on the D string. Then peel back one finger at a time. F sharp, E, D, freeze, plop 3 on the G string and lift your bow elbow. And we're going to do the same thing on this string. 3, 2, 1, open. 2, B, 1, open. Let's try that a little bit faster. So open, 3, 2, 1, open, elbow up, 3, 2, 1, open. Playing position, your bow is on the open G, but your third finger is set on the D string on the fingertip. Let's try it. G, high G, F sharp, E, open, elbow up, so that's our middle section. We're going to learn the beginning now, which also starts on open G. So we need 2 open Gs. Then the next 4 notes are 1, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to leave as many fingers down as we can when we plop that third finger so we can just peel them away when we need them. So let's try that. First finger set on the G string. Plop 2 and 3. 2, 1. Good, let's try that again. 1, 3, high 2, 1. Let's combine that with those first 2 notes. So we need 2 open Gs, and then 1, 3, 2, 1. Playing position, elbow swung under. Nice loose bow hold. Ready? Go. 1, 3, 2, 1. Great, the next part has us dropping our elbow to the D string and playing 2 open Ds. Now, if you know how this song goes, you'll know that the 1, 3, 2, 1 section has to go a little bit faster. So we're going to imagine that those first 2 Gs are long notes. So we think in our head long, long, and then the 1, 3, 2, 1 is quick, 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 quick. So it could be 2 quarter notes followed by 4/8 notes. Let's try that with the correct rhythm. Playing position, open G, and these are the long notes. Ready, go. And then we're going to drop to the D string. Great, the next part, once we're on the D, has us doing open first finger on the D, and then changing back to the G string, 2, 3. So let's try those 4 notes. Open 1. Elbow up, plop 2 on the G string. let's try that again. There's a lot of stuff there. We have to change strings. We have to remember to lift our elbow up and then swing my other elbow when we go to the G string. Let's try it again. D, E. Lift, plop. Good, one more time, just a little bit faster. Open, 1, ready, go. Great, let's try to put that with the stuff that we learned at the beginning. So open G, 1, 3, 2, 1, open D, D, E, B, C. And there will be music on the screen so that you can follow along. Playing position, bow on the G string, 2 Gs. Ready, go. 1, 3. 2, 1. Drop to D. Oh, 1. Lift, plop. Great, we're going to do all that again, just a little bit faster. Let's go to playing position. Bow set on the G string. Open G twice. Ready? Go. Great, our next section is still on the G string. 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. That's familiar, right? Because we already did that for the opening section. So let's try that from first finger on the G string, which is the note A. We need 2 of those, and these are the long bows. 1, 3, 2, 1. And then we just need that open G and our G major scale. So let's play just the beginning section, which has us going to the open G before we do that G major scale. So long notes on the G string, 2 of them. Ready, go. 1, 3, 2, 1. Drop to D. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 3, 2, 1. And then we would add that descending from third finger G major scale. So let's try to get to the end of the descending G major scale this time. Playing position, slide your hand down, set your bow, loose bow hold, and double check that your elbow is swung underneath the instrument so you can go down on the fingertips. 2 long Gs, ready, go. Once we get there, it's just the same as the beginning. So we have 2 open Gs, followed by 1, 3, 2, 1, then back to those open Ds, open 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. So it's pretty much the same until we get to the very last couple of notes. The last 4 notes are G, D, A, B, and then open G twice. So let's just do the second half of the song, which is very similar to the first half of the song, until we get to the end. Playing position, bow on open G, elbow tall, ready, go, open G. A, C, B, A, drop to D, oh, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1. Here's the new part, G, D, A, B, open G twice. So we're going to play the whole song slowly, and then we'll try a little bit quicker version. And the music will be on the screen, so follow along. Playing position, slide to first, elbow tall, set on open G. Ready, go. Great, I hope that you had some success on that. If not, just rewind the video and practice it again. This is the slightly faster version. So as we go faster, the smaller notes or the quicker notes are going to receive even less bow. Playing position, slide down to first, set your bow on G, elbow nice and tall. And this is the faster version. 1, 2, ready, go. So as you're practicing that over the next week or next couple of weeks, see how fast you can get your personal version to go. This is a really quick dance, so we don't want to go too fast because they still have to dance to the music, but it definitely can go faster than the fast version that we did today. I hope you're enjoying your lessons. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, please write those below. I definitely read those and I will respond to you as quickly as I can. And I will see you at our next lesson. Thanks.